flat bridge or the Bog Walk Gorge. Years we haven't been through this section of Jamaica. We always use the toll road. But let's see what it is like after Hurricane Melissa. It was flooded, it was closed. So let's see what it will be like. Let's see if there's any damage to the road. Some light wires there on the side of the road. Bog Walk. Again, thank you again for the support on the channel. Remember to tap that subscribe button, tap the thumbs up button to like the video. We're gonna make, well, a long time we haven't made a journey across flat bridge. Years. Let's see what it is like. What is this truck man doing? Jesus. Man, if you just take time drive. Emergency road closure system is in place. The road should be open. Truck, keep your side of the road, please. Why everybody want to drive on my side of the road? Closer and closer to Flatbridge. Vendors here, lovely fruits and cocoa. When last I eat piece of cocoa, head of cocoa. Pothole here, we have to make our way over them. We don't know the place, you know, so we have to drive with caution. Yeah, we're not gonna mash up with vehicle, you know, by the road. Patrol here again. Just me feel like we're in a different country right now. That part of the road tearing away. So this part of the road is concrete. Okay. That part of the road is concrete. Got the beautiful river, man. I want to take a swim over there. World famous flat bridge. We're gonna drive over it pretty soon. Don't you move a muscle. Okay, here's concrete again. I don't remember here being concrete before. Nice. Okay. All of this section is concrete. Okay. Bog Walk Gorge. Every vehicle overtaking here. But this thing, Bog Walk, is a racetrack because the road is a little bit wide. Beautiful river, man. Have that little greenish tone to it. Beautiful. Bluish greenish color to the water. Oh my man. Jamaica is so beautiful. I wonder if the concrete road is more slippery than the asphalt road, especially when it's wet. Traveling through the Bog Walk Gorge. Flat bridge is right here, and it looks like I'm getting the red light, and a vehicle decided to overtake me to first me to the light. Only in Jamaica. I'm obeying the light. He just disobeyed the light and fly across the bridge. My God. Come on, Jamaica, we have to do better. Alright, we got the green light. Let's go. This is world famous flat bridge after Hurricane Melissa, and we're driving over it, and we made it successfully. Trust me, that bridge is so scary. That bridge is so scary. Look at the beautiful river, man. Oh, there was a train wreck here recently on the other side of the river. I'm looking if I see any sign of the train. I'm not seeing it. God, that is like a racetrack here. I'm telling you. Beautiful, man. Potholes here. Take our time. Where's my glasses? Where did I put the glasses? Come on, don't fail me now. Come on, where did I put the glasses? Right here, got it. Road is bumpy, let's take our time. We're not in no rush to get brushed by any vehicle. Just made it over Flat Bridge. Heading straight over the road into Kingston. Telling you, the light and the shadows created by the trees make it hard to see the surface of the road. Put on my 4-way flasher. It's crazy. I don't know what I'm driving into. So much shadows on the road. See, a little better here. Alright, another overpass here. Am I on the right track? Double check. Alright, there's a traffic control gate here. Yep. roadworks, you know. You have to be so vigilant. Where are we now? What's this? Dam head pump. Or booster pump here. Or this truck carrying some pipelines. I wonder where it's going with them. Where are we? Which river? What is bumpy, man? Melissa Crescent is under the road here. Alright, let's look out for signs to see where we are exactly. 90's cheap, well, $199. Look at that, why is that car nearly run me off of the road, man? This, hey, Jamaica, Jamaica. Where do I go? I should make a, okay, so I'm guessing that I should make a turn here. I'm getting a red light. Where is this gonna carry me? Oh, on a toll road. I don't want to go on any toll road. Hey. Fesco gas station. I don't want to go on any toll road. Listen me, Google, don't tell me crap. Alright, so that's the Angels Plaza here in St. Catherine. Come on, Google, come on, come on. Alright, definitely going to need some assistance to get into Kingston because there are no road signs here. Where's this police going? Alright, so let's turn back and use the toll. Alright, so it's the next right turn to go on the toll to head into Kingston. Alright, I guess we have to use the toll since we're not familiar with the area. Straight up to the stoplight. And we wait here to make a right turn. Alright, Popeyes is here. Burger King. Everywhere I see Popeyes and Burger King together. What kind of business? I know it's the same operator, you know. But damn. Alright, let's use the toll to go into Kingston. Edward Siaga Highway, north south. Okay. Plaza ahead. See, no direction telling E-Pass. We're not using the E-Pass. Let's use this one here. Let's see. Alright. No cards being issued at the moment. Please proceed to exiting area. Okay. Whatever that means. No, so it didn't give me a toll card. So I don't know. Alright. What's this now? Kingston. This side. Jesus. Why would you put the sign right where the turn is? On the corner. Jesus. Hey, Jamaica. Come on, man. I had to strain my eyes to actually see the sign that to tell me where I should drive to go to Kingston. You should have put the sign up further. Alright, let's go around this. Alright, so we should merge here. Okay. Let's merge. Alright. So we couldn't escape the tolls. I hope they don't charge us an arm and a leg. I know this section of the tolls. This is the fastest route into Kingston. Let's go. I need somebody to overtake me. I don't want to be at the front because if the police come out with their speed gun, I will be get caught. So I like to chase vehicles so that so one here. Let's chase this one. Keep up behind him so that we don't get caught in any speed traps. Will you make it, Mr. Benz? BMW, you made it. Love the BMW. Fastest route into Kingston. Still remembering the drive over Flatbridge. I know I should keep left and pass right. lot of Chinese vehicles in Jamaica. That's one of them. I think it's the same Haval. Yeah man, a lot of Chinese vehicles are in Jamaica now. Mechanics are warning people to stay away from them because it's hard to get the parts and they are expensive. Not even the dealers have the parts sometimes. But they are lovely vehicles. Alright, let's keep left, do the right thing. Pass right. 1 kilometer away from Portmore and Kingston. We reach quickly. Wonder what they're going to charge us here, sir. Because we couldn't get any card. So what will the charge be? Jesus. What will the charge be? Let's see. Yeah man, so again, lot of Chinese vehicles. This is the T2 Jet Tour, a beautiful SUV, man. Trust me. Just look at the profile, the lines, everything about this vehicle looks good. It's a, trust me, it's a tank on the road. But again, it's a Chinese vehicle. A lot of persons are a bit skeptic. But it's a beautiful vehicle. Alright, let's see if we can get to the toll booth quickly and hear what they have to say, because we did not get a card and we entered from the Angels. So let's hear what the toll operator is going to charge us. Let's go. Good day. I didn't get the toll card at the Angel. Alright, so they took my word for it. The toll operators took my word for it, because I indeed did not get a toll card at the Angels toll plaza there. Alright, so see the sign saying we should turn left to go into Kingston. Let's go. Didn't even get to put up my money. Catch it right here, so it was 350 Jamaican dollars I had to pay for the toll. Better than $2,000 from St. Anne. Can we merge? Let's check our rear view. Let's merge. Let's merge as we make our way now on Mandela Highway. Yeah man, getting closer to our destination. Beautiful drive out, and I'm glad you are here along with us as we show you the beauty of Jamaica from one end of the island, which shows more sign of hurricane damage, to this side of island where you can't see anything that says a hurricane passed through here. Only Western Jamaica was badly impacted by Hurricane Melissa. What's happening with my phone? Why my phone shut down? Hey man. is the Mandela Highway. 3 lanes in both directions. Let's keep in the middle of our lane. We can say that we're in St. Andrew. As we make our way further and into Kingston. So it's saying Kingston is straight ahead. The ferry is on the left there. That's where the Chinese mechanics are. So I guess if you buy the Chinese vehicle, you can go to the Chinese mechanics. Whoopsie daisy. These bridges, I'm telling you. This is the Mandela Highway going straight into Kingston. Again, Kingston, capital of Jamaica. No signs of hurricane in these parts. It's business as usual. Not the same for Western Jamaica. Let's keep right. Let's keep left. If we kept right, that would have carried us into downtown Kingston on half retreat, but we're going to keep left and go straight ahead into Kingston. This is the Washington Boulevard. Coaster bus here entering. Let's watch out for him. I trust him enough. Man, thank you for staying with us. Whoa, what's happening here? Break up. You have to be vigilant on these roads, I'm telling you. Let's try to keep in the middle lane. I think it's much safer there. Still on the Washington Boulevard. This to me is like two Jamaica. One that was hit by the hurricane and the other that wasn't. They had a little breeze and, you know, strong breeze down here, but nothing much, nothing really. To say complete devastation in these parts. Thank you so much for sticking and staying. And we have reached in Kingston, so we have accomplished our goal. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, send your gifts via super chat. We appreciate it, man. I'll be sure to big you up. My number is also there. Send me a WhatsApp, send me some pictures of what your area looks like, whether you're in Jamaica or abroad. We love seeing it, we love talking to people. Send me a WhatsApp. I appreciate your support every time. Let's go a little bit further into Kingston, and then we'll end our video after we cross the stoplight here. So that's Tasty on the left. I wish we left out a little bit earlier to beat the traffic, but it is what it is. Man, this was a journey. This is my longest journey I've ever done on this, the Island Max YouTube channel, and you're a part of it. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Look like we have to switch lanes here. What's going on ahead? Bible Church, okay. Thank you again. We have reached Kingston. We're gonna get some business done before we head back to Western Jamaica. We have a lot in store on this channel. Stay tuned, alright guys. Bless up, and remember, one love Jamaica, one love every time. Stay tuned.